Hello guys, welcome back to my video. In this one, you will learn more about brackets with coefficient of x different to 1. So in last video, you learned about the bracket like this, 4 times x plus 4. And you want to expand this bracket, you will take outside number 4 will time with inside bracket 4 times x and plus 4 times 4. And then very easily you can simplify this become to 4x plus 16. But in this video you will work with higher level. How about this one? 4 times 2x plus 4. Okay, how can you work with this one? The same method for this expression. You will take outside the bracket multiply with inside the bracket number and you will simplify it one by one. So something different to the blue pencil in this video, you will take 4 times with 2x. And that's write out like this, 4 times 2x like this. And then the next step, you will take 4 times 4. The same thing, right? But 4 times 2 times x. So what is the answer for this one? Just take the constant number multiply with constant number. 4 times 2 you will got 8. So 8 times x. And 4 times 4 you got 16. Yeah. So sometimes the expression will give you the coefficient of x is 2. Sometimes it will give you another coefficient like 3x plus 4 like this. But you can apply the same thing. For this example, you will got 4 times 3 times x and plus with 4 times 4. And another one, answer is here you got 4 times 3 times x. 4 times 3 is 12, so that's why you got 12x in this one and the got is 16 in here. Sometimes the question will give you another coefficient. The coefficient is means the number multiplied with x, so something like 6x plus 4. Okay, but I think in this example you can do it by yourself totally. Okay, 4 times 6x and plus 4 times 4 and you got 24 because 4 times 6 is 24 x plus 16 like this. So what is the coefficient? The coefficient of x is 2 for this example, for 3 in this example, and for 6 in this example. It will affect to your final answer. And that's final answer. The coefficient will be changed. So that's why you have to carefully more about your calculation. But I think this is very basic calculation for you. But you have to understand why you got that example. This is harder than the last video because for last video you already learned about x like this. So for this x plus 4, the coefficient doesn't mean is 0. The coefficient of x in this case is 1. So because you write down 1 times x, you can write down another way is only x. So you don't need to write down the number 1 for this multiplication because 1 times x equals to x. So you don't need to write down 1. But if the coefficient of x different to 1, you have to write down very carefully. Okay, something like this. Yeah, we move to another example. Okay, for these two examples, you have a bracket and the coefficient inside bracket are different. One is 4 and another one is 3. So step by step, you will take 3 multiply for a term for this one. Carefully, this is minus, this is not plus. So you got 3 times 4 times x minus 3 times 3. So for this one, you got 12 times x and minus 9. And another one, you got 2 times 3 times x and minus 2 times 5. So you can write down here is 6x minus 10. Yeah. And another way for write down this one, you can erase the dot in here. That's write down 12x minus 9. So that is my final answer for this question and for another question. Yeah, a little bit easier for this one. How can you work with? Yeah, carefully about your calculation. You got 4 is number outside the bracket. Yes, I will break this expression. 4 times 9 and then you got 28 times x and plus 36. Yeah, so another one, or maybe the last one for this video, you got 8x plus 10. Yeah, how about this one? 5 times 8x and plus 5 times 10. So 5 times 8, 40x. 5 times 10, 50. Yeah, that's it. Now, I think that it should not difficult, but it is something new for you, and how you have to care about the coefficient in front of x. Very carefully about that one. Okay, I will give you last 4 examples for this video. Okay, stop video right now and do it by yourself first, and then play this video and watch my answer. Okay, stop that and do it. For the first example, you got 2 outside and you will take 2 multiply for each term in this bracket. 2 times 9x minus 2 times 3, and then 2 times 9 you got 18 times x minus 6 in this. Yep. So for this one you got 3 times 6x and minus 3 times 2. So this one will be 18x and minus 6. Another example, you got 4 times 4x and plus 4 times 2. So this one will be 16x and another one will be 8, like this. Okay, so 5 times 6x and plus 5 times 7. And 5 times 6 you got 30x and 5 times 7 you got 35. Yeah, okay, that is the answers for these 4 examples. I hope you can get 100% right answer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.